So one of the stories here
Yes.
is kind of obviously just how much we've broken it down into components for repairability, and also we have the storyline where basically you can follow if you want to repair your own device, if you need to replace a component, you can follow the codes that tell you what hardware to use. Also, this QR code will lead you to the repair site.
Okay.
They'll kind of lead you through that process.
Okay.
I'm trying to make it as easy and accessible as possible. And the most repairable thing is always going to be the hard drive itself,
Okay.
which is actually just accessible by this door on the back, which is just a simple flip out.
Wow.
And you
Okay.
can replace whenever you need to. A lot of the data on that hard drive
Yes.
is encrypted to the hardware itself. So if you try to take a hard drive out of one device and put it into another, a lot of things will not work on that other device because of the encryption. But other than that, it's more about being able to replace that hard drive if you need to or want to.
But will the machine boot up if I move the hard drive? Will the
If you
system,
remove it,
if
so
I remove,
without a hard drive?
No, if I remove it and put it in a different unit, will that unit boot up?
As far as I understand, it would. I haven't
It would.
tried that, but
Okay.
but I believe so. Yeah, I think just a lot of the data would be lost because it's naturally encrypted.
So
in
what
our
type of
basic
data is lost then? If the machine boots up, that means the data is there, right? If the OS boots up,
Right, but as far as files you've saved, anything that's basically native encrypted.
Okay,
so
okay.
a lot of the data, like right now, we have these presentations
Yes, yes,
that
yes.
show you how to create images or files or whatever, and a lot of that stuff is just naturally encrypted
Okay.
to the hard drive, so they can't be transferred over. You can set those security settings however you want to, but by
Okay.
default, they would typically be encrypted to the hard drive.
okay, okay,
I'm sorry, to the hardware.
to the hardware.
So
Okay,
that you
okay.
can't swap it over if you didn't want to.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, more than anything, it's a repairability story. So if you have something fail, then you can replace. I mean, I'm sure there's lots of options on the secondary market for like upgrades or improvements. Who knows?
Okay.
But this story, as far as Microsoft goes, is much more about repair.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, good pleasure.